Good day, everyone. Today I want to talk about something that every lender experiences: bad debt. Now, before we begin, I want to make something abundantly clear. Bad debt is not always a sign that you are a bad lender. Every lender experiences losses. Every lender experiences accounts that don't perform as expected. Every lender experiences customers who stop paying. The goal is not to eliminate bad debt completely. The goal is to learn from the bad debt. Because every bad debt contains a lesson. The problem is that most lenders never study their failures. They simply write the account off and they move on and repeat the same mistakes again and again. Successful lenders do something different. They become students of their losses. They review failed accounts. They investigate what happened. They look for the patterns. They ask difficult questions. And because they do, they continuously improve. One of the most valuable habits you can develop as a lender is conducting regular bad debt reviews. Every account that ends badly should be examined. Not to assign the blame to someone, not to criticize your staff, but for you to learn. Because every failed loan tells a story. The question is, are you listening? Whenever a loan goes bad, I encourage lenders to ask two important questions. Firstly, what did we miss? And secondly, what warning signs were present? Those two questions can transform the way you assess risk. Let's start with the first question. What did we miss? Did we miss something during the affordability assessment? Did we perhaps overlook a warning sign on the bank statement? Did we fail to verify information properly? Did we maybe rely too heavily on the assumptions? Did we make an emotional decision instead of a business decision? Many bad debts can be traced back to something that was visible from the beginning. The warning signs was there. The information was available. The problem is that it wasn't recognized or acted upon. This is why reviewing bad debt is such a valuable asset. It helps us improve our decision-making process. So now let's look at that second question. What warning signs were present? One bad debt means very little. 10 bad debts can reveal a pattern. 20 bad debts can reveal a weakness in your business. Maybe customers from a particular employment sector performs poorly. Maybe certain income profiles carry a higher risk. Maybe specific affordability indicators consistently lead to collection problems. Maybe customers with certain banking behaviors are more likely to default. Patterns matter. Patterns tell a story, and successful lenders pay attention to those stories. One of the biggest differences between your average lenders and your exceptional lenders is the willingness to analyze data. Average lenders react to bad debt. Exceptional lenders learn from it. They use bad debt as a training tool, a risk management tool, a business improvement tool. Every failed account becomes an opportunity to improve your future decisions. Let's talk a minute about something that many lenders struggle with: emotion. When a loan goes bad, the natural reaction is frustration. You become angry with the customer. You become disappointed. You focus on the loss. And while those emotions are understandable, they don't improve your business. The question isn't, how did this customer hurt my business? The better question is, what can this account teach me? That shift in thinking changes everything. Because now, every loss becomes an investment in your future knowledge. The best lenders I know are constantly refining their lending criteria. They don't assume they know everything. They don't believe their current processes is perfect. They're always learning, always improving, always adapting. And that mindset creates a stronger business over time. Think about professional sports teams. After every match, they analyze their performances. They review mistakes. They identify weaknesses. They make adjustments. Businesses should be no different. If you're not reviewing your failures, you're missing valuable opportunities to improve. Now, let's talk about continuous improvement. One of the reasons some lenders become more successful every year is because they learn faster than their competitors. They improve their affordability assessments. They improve their verification processes. They improve their collections. They improve their risk management. And over time, those small improvements, they compound. One lesson today, another lesson next month, another lesson next quarter. Eventually, the business becomes significantly stronger. That's the power of continuous improvement. Remember this, every bad date has already cost you money. The least you can do is to extract a lesson from it. Don't waste the experience. Don't ignore the warning signs. Don't repeat the same mistakes. Use every loss as an opportunity to become a better lender. Because the goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. The lender who learns the fastest are usually the lenders who grow the fastest. So my message today is simple. Review failed accounts. Look for the patterns. Ask the difficult questions. Learn from your mistakes. Continuously improve. Because every bad debt contains a lesson. And those lessons can help you build a stronger, healthier, and more profitable lending business. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers for now.